Welcome friend to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Once again we are here with a very interesting questions. But before starting the question, it is requested to those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel Aptitude Math Learner. The question today we are having that is the number of students in 3 rooms is 138. The ratio of the number of students in first and the second room is 3:4. The ratio of the number of students in second and third room is 7:5. The number of students in the first, second and third room respectively is, so here we have to find out the number of students in each room. So there are 3 rooms. So for this, the first thing which we do, that is we take the total number of students, that is 138. So this is the strength of the student. And the next thing which we have to do, we take that let student in first and second room, that is A:B. So for this we take that is let so we have taken the student ratio for the first and the second room, that is A:B, and that is 3:4. So the ratio we have taken for the first and second room A:B, that is 3:4. And for the second and the third room, that is B:C, and that is equals to, that is 7:5. So we have just taken the ratio A and B, that is 3:4, and B:C, that is 7:5. And the next thing which we have to do, we have to find out the ratio for A, B and C. And for this we do that is we take that, so this is A ratio B ratio C. I hope that here you have understood. And here we are having the ratio for A and B. So we have just taken the ratio for A and B, that is 3:4. So we write here that is 3:4. And for B, so this is once again B, and here also B:C, that is 7:5. So we take that is 7:5, and we write it downward. So through this method we can be able to get the ratio for A, B and C. And for this we multiply A by B. The first thing which we have to do, we have to just multiply A by B, and that is like this. So here 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21 ratio. And the next step, that is B ratio by B, and 4 multiplied by 7, here we get that is 28 ratio. And now B ratio C, for the ratio of C, and 4 multiplied by 5, we get here the answer, that is 20. So these are the ratio for A ratio B ratio C. I hope till here you have completely understood the method. And now the next thing which we have to do, that is, therefore, now let X be the total number of students. So we have just taken X as the number of students. So this becomes, that is, so this is 21. So we take 21x plus, so this is the ratio, and this is 28x plus 20x, and this is equals to the total number of students, and that is 138. So this becomes, that is 138. I hope till here you have completely understood. Now 21 plus 28 plus 20, this becomes, that is 60 9x is equal to 138 and x is equal to 138 divided by 69. And we get here that is, so 69 ones are and 69 twos are, that is 138. So here we have just now got the value for x, that is 2. So this is now the value of x. And now if you take a look in the question, so it says that the number of students in the first, second and third room respectively is. So here we have to find out the number of students of each class, the first, second and the third. So therefore, number of student in first room.
Number of student in first class.
That is in the ratio we have just found, that is 21x. So this becomes, that is 21 by x, and this is equal to 21 multiplied by x, and the value of x that here we have, that is 22. So here we get the answer and the number of students for the first class, that is how much. So this becomes, that is 42 students. And for the second class, that is in the ratio we are having, that is 28x, and this becomes, that is 28 multiplied by x, and the value of x we are having, that is 2. So this becomes, that is 56. 28 multiplied by 2, that is 56 students. And for third room or the class, this is in the ratio, that is 20. So you can see that is 20x. So this becomes, that is 20x, and the number of students we are having, that is 20 multiplied by 2, that is 40 students. So we have just found the numbers, and for the first class, that is 42 students, and for the second class, that is 56 student, and for the third class, that is 40 student. I hope you have got your answer and the method for understanding, but don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you very much.